Hello guys, I'm going to show you um, how to put the triplet notes in MuseScore. So simply, it's very easy to do it. So what are you gonna do is, okay, so you choose the note, the quarter note. So let's say for example you need a triplet 8 note, so you have to choose a quarter note, and then after you set the notes on the stave, then you need to click add. So you have to click the add. Okay, make sure you select the note and then click the tuplets, and there are triplets here, so just click triplets. Okay, so it's now having this symbol on the top. Okay, so you can now place the triplet notes that you need. Okay, so it's like that, and the same as in the bass clap. So what you're gonna do, you just click this one and add also, and go to tuplets and click the triplets, and there you go. So you do the same thing. So there you are. So you don't need this one. Okay. Oops. Okay. So that's it. So that is the triplet. But for this case, I think I have to choose the right notes where I can split into 3/8 note, which is, I think, a dotted quarter note. So let's try it. So let's try it. So let's try. So let us choose a dotted quarter note. So let's place in here. So after you place it, click the notes and click add and triplets. So I think this is now the best way, because you need to divide the measure of the notes exactly. So we'll see. Can you take away this one and this one as well? That's it. So because a quarter note, or a dotted quarter note, has uh, 1.5 bit measure, so that's like this. So 8 note is half, half, and half, so that is 1.5 measure. So there you are. I have now the triplet triplet notes. So thank you for watching.